not in the habit of driving down here, and so it's a handicap. Apologies for that. Situations on an individual level are so specific. I'd rather go to the things that are common from traditional technology arena to what we're trying to do right now. And I think that one thing that we all have in common here, is maybe a generalization, I think all of my colleagues, is that what we're really fundamentally doing is introducing disruptive technology into what are traditional staid industries, automotive, energy generation, and the like. And that's probably the thing that if you really have a passion for that, if you have an idea or a commitment to that concept, then it's easy enough to find an opportunity, whether on an individual level with a business or perhaps in one of the niches that's emerging now, some of these, particularly in the case of our industry, is it's cracking open due to macroeconomic factors. And then the other thing I would testify to is the importance of passion as it informs the quite likely possibility that you're going to have to go into a position at a lower level in an organization, because, frankly, this is not an area where there's been so many of these industries are around. So many of these industries are not native industries, whether it's energy generation or whether it's automotive or some of the others. These skills are not native, and so you're refashioning yourself, you're reinventing yourself, and I think that a commitment to doing that and a willingness to take the initial lumps associated with that is pretty important.
So if you want to take a couple minutes just to give people an overview of Tesla.
Yeah, Tesla, I'm usually fortunate in this respect that Tesla is fairly well known. One of the things I tend to recalibrate, though, is that while Tesla is known for the Tesla Roadster, and that's an exciting enough prospect, it's a sports car, and who wouldn't be interested in that? And believe me, it makes my life easy getting meetings and so forth that I wouldn't otherwise get based on my sparkling personality. The core of the business is really the powertrain technology that we've developed. It's started with the battery and then motor power electronics, associated software, firmware, and control systems. And that's the heart and soul of business. That is deep technology, as we all know here. And it's the way that we're dimensionalizing that into the automotive marketplace, whether through our own cars or through arrangements with the traditional OEMs. It's sort of how we're going to market. A little bit about where we've been. I mean, we've started with the Roadster. That's been in the market for about a year. We have almost 1,000 of those on the road in the U.S. and Europe. We're building a distribution network here in the U.S. and Europe. That's also different from the traditional OEM business. We have a strategic partner in Daimler, manufacturers of Mercedes-Benz, and so we're helping some of the OEMs, Daimler in particular, to put EVs on the road. At the highest possible level, the mission of this company, and it truly is a mission that informs our passion and our activities, because believe me, the monetary rewards are not obvious. It's to create a market for EVs, a mass market for EVs. And so the way we're doing that, and I'll cut it off here, is our own cars and supplying powertrains to other manufacturers. And so we think we're making some progress, if only because one of the biggest OEMs out there, Nissan, has got a road show going on that started this week, introducing the Leaf. So we're succeeding, and if only by creating competition. So that's good and bad. Thank you.
Okay, thank you very much. And